Energies that prevent wealth. Hello, I'm Christopher, welcome to my channel. First of all, leave your like and subscribe to my channel to continue receiving the videos automatically and for YouTube to understand that this content is useful to other people. So let's go. Broken or unused items at home. Do not keep things that you no longer use or clothes that no longer fit. Every 6 months, on average, do a general cleaning in your house to change your energy. Donate everything you no longer wear. According to spiritualists, broken objects should not be kept or mended. When a vase falls and breaks, for example, it means that some negative energy has been blocked by it. All prosperity and success energy needs to run and accumulate emotional memories in matter is not a good thing. Let the old go so the new can arrive and still help someone in need. Dirt and disorganization. Whether at home or at the office, avoid scattered clothes, accumulated papers, floor without sweeping, sink full of used dishes, littered wastebaskets. All this contributes to the emergence of astral larvae, traces of low-frequency energy that influence the environment. Pessimism. It is important to understand and accept that bad things can happen, but everything should serve as a lesson for us to improve. Prosperous people always think positive and instill this in everyone around them. Oh, and obviously, thinking alone is just thinking, it's critical to pair it with practice and get your hands dirty. Perfectionism. Realize that nothing will ever be perfect, no matter how hard you try. So, better done than perfect. Many perfectionist people are also procrastinators, that is, they postpone the delivery of a work or project as much as possible for fear of making a mistake. Many opportunities are lost if you wait forever for an ideal scenario, context or moment. Envy. It's a normal feeling, everyone has it, to a lesser or greater degree. But wasting more time observing the success of others than taking care of leveraging your own impedes your evolution. Don't let that feeling rule your life. A good way to lessen it or make it positive is to turn it into admiration and learning. If someone close to you is growing or changing their lives for the better, analyze the person's trajectory and notice what they do. They signed up for courses, invested money, practiced gratitude, saw the good part of events. Toxic people. You become the sum of the people you spend the most time with. If you spend a lot of time with someone who refuses to take responsibility for their failures, always finds excuses and blames others for the situation they find themselves in, then it is quite possible that they are also acting this way out of mimicry. Try to surround yourself with people who are optimistic, enterprising and, above all, people who improve your mood. If you are enjoying these messages, if they somehow impact your life, comment here, like and share.